Do you need a quick but detailed explanation or just a reminder of what to be aware of in some poses? Then take your moment now for a better yoga practice. The downward facing dog or adho mukha svanasana. Mostly getting into the posture from chaturanga or up dog, with your exhale, lift your sitting bones up and back. You should really feel the stretch in the back of your legs, in your hamstrings, and try to keep your legs straight. Your feet are hip-width apart, and you try to push your heels down to the floor. Keep your arms straight and long, and your fingers spread wide. Your shoulders are slightly externally rotate and relax them. With every inhale, lengthen the spine, and with every exhale, lengthen the legs to create this rotation in your hips. If needed, just bend your knees and lift up the heels to straighten your spine. This posture has so many benefits, and I recommend to train it as much as possible. See you next time when we look at Utthita Parshvakonasana.